Hi, my name is Ashu Mehta. I am a Honeywell Aerospace field service engineer working in customer and product support. Today, I'm going to show you an enhancement on the Honeywell MyAerospace portal, which gives you access to product reliability updates. Firstly, you must log into the MyAerospace portal with your user ID and password. From the landing page, if you already have shortcuts selected, you can select Technical Support. If not, select Services and Support. You'll see a number of drop-downs and you need to select Support. From the next set of drop-downs, you select Technical Support. On the technical support page, you will see that we have many technical support tools available, including training videos and publications. In this instance, we want product reliability updates. The product reliability update page shows a summary of in-service product improvements being addressed. Each file summarizes the issue and includes the program schedule. Presentations are updated every 30 days to ensure that you have the latest information. There are a number of options to search the list. You can use the search bar by typing in keywords. You can select by an ATA chapter. You can select by OEM. And you can select by platform. In this example, I will search for the key letters RDR, as I am interested in the RDR 4000 radar installed on a Boeing 777. I have two results. Both contain RDR 4000 within the document title, but the second result contains Boeing 777 within the platform field. To view this presentation, I select Download. Once downloaded, the file can be accessed by selecting the file icon on the bottom left of the page. All the presentations available provide detail on product description, reliability, a summary of the issue, description of investigation, root cause if known, corrective action including any interim actions if applicable, timeline for completion of actions, and contact information. I hope you found this short video helpful. Thank you.